Hello and welcome to our Healthygenetic channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that is very important for many people, and that is weight loss. Losing weight can be a challenging journey, but it's important to remember that it's not impossible. With the right mindset, dedication, and approach, anyone can achieve their weight loss goals. So, let's start with the basics. The first thing you need to do if you want to lose weight is to create a calorie deficit. This means that you need to burn more calories than you consume. There are two ways to do this: by reducing your calorie intake or by increasing your physical activity. Reducing your calorie intake can be done by making healthier food choices and by reducing portion sizes. You can start by cutting back on sugary and fatty foods and replacing them with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. It's also important to watch your portion sizes and to eat slowly, as it takes about 20 minutes for your brain to receive the signal that you're full. Increasing your physical activity can be done by incorporating more exercise into your daily routine. This can be as simple as taking a daily walk, going for a run, or joining a fitness class. The key is to find an activity that you enjoy and that you can stick to in the long term. Another important aspect of weight loss is getting enough sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones and make it harder for you to lose weight. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night to help your body recharge and reset. Finally, it's important to remember that weight loss is not just about the number on the scale. It's about improving your overall health and well-being. Don't focus solely on the number on the scale, but also on how you feel, how your clothes fit, and how much energy you have. Weight loss can be a challenging journey, but with the right approach, it's achievable. Remember to create a calorie deficit by reducing your calorie intake and increasing your physical activity, get enough sleep, and focus on improving your overall health and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.